Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your name at the top to access Apple ID options. This is the fastest path. Make sure your iPhone 11 is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular and has sufficient battery. If prompted, enter your device passcode to confirm it's you. Once done, you'll see Password and Security. This is the section you need to change the iCloud password. Don't skip confirming your identity because Apple requires it for account security. Tap Password and Security, then choose Change Password to begin the update process. You'll be asked for your device passcode first. Enter it so Apple verifies your identity. Next, type a new password that meets Apple's requirements, mix upper and lowercase, numbers and symbols, and confirm it. If two-factor authentication is enabled, Apple will send a code to a trusted device or phone number. Make sure you enter that code when prompted to complete the change securely. After successfully changing the password, your iPhone may prompt you to sign back into iCloud and related services. Do this so apps like Mail and Photos keep syncing. If the change fails, make sure date and time are correct and your network connection is stable, then try again. If you can't receive verification codes because you lost trusted devices, start Apple's account recovery process. This takes time, but protects your account. Keep the new password in a secure password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.